Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make thumbnails easily on Canva. So let's get started. Alright, the first step you need to go to, I'm talking about the computer system, okay? If you are using the mobile, you can of course install the Canva application onto your mobile. But if you're on the screen, you can just follow my steps. So it's Canva. Just go to canva.com, or you can make a search for Canva on Google, and you will get this page. Okay, you can just go for the blank page by clicking on create design. You will get all the shapes for creating your thumbnail. You can just click on the create a design, and you can click YouTube thumbnail, and that will slap you to the empty thumbnail where you can make your thumbnail from scratch. You can also get all the templates over here, so you can make the templates. You can choose the template from here. On the other ways, you can choose to go with the YouTube thumbnail. You can just click on the templates over here, and then you can find and scroll to find the YouTube thumbnail. But if you don't find, you can just search for YouTube here, YouTube, and hit enter. You will get the banner, YouTube video, all kinds of stuff. You can also make a search for YouTube thumbnail. Let's go. Once you go there, you can see you have an attractive piece of thumbnails which you can choose, but you have to also bear in mind that most of the thumbnails are not free. So this is free, but most of them are not free. Just like if would like to show you, this is the pro version, this is the pro thing. Okay, this is not pro, but yes, you can use it for free. So let's go customize. Alright, on my next video I'm going to talk about how you can have the free open privacy policy for every website. So if you're making a landing page or any sales page for affiliating any offer from the ClickBank or Zvizu, you might be looking for, you have to have the disclaimer, privacy policy, terms and condition, all kinds of stuff. So you can either make it from scratch by your own, you can just use this website, which I'm going to talk about in my next video. So you have to stay tuned for that. Okay, the most free privacy policy page. Okay, so privacy policy, and for this reason just want to go to a little bit on the lower side. Open privacy policy page. Open privacy policy page. Okay, and I want to duplicate it. To do that, you have to click on duplicate. You can also press Ctrl+D, and you get the duplication page, or just delete page for everyone. Now I can just drag it here, and little bit I can just reduce the size of it, and again I go also a little bit bend this so it matches. Open privacy policy for everyone. Alright, so this thing looks nice. So on my next video I will tell you or showcase you that how you can use my free privacy policy for your own page. You can embed this link on your own page, and the ads manager like Facebook and Google Ads will give you the permission to use your landing page, to promote your landing page on the web, so that you can make sales and income. Thank you guys for watching this video. We'll catch you guys inside my next one. So this is the Canva, and it's a very easy to learn the Canva. In fact, you just choose any template and just go and do some edit, and you get that. I hope you enjoy this.